Your phone rings. Unknown number. You pick up. But instead of a voice or even a static line, you hear it. A faint, hollow dial tone. An echo from beyond the grave. This is the chilling heart of the echoing dial tone, an urban legend whispered in hushed tones, a spectral story that preys on our coldest fears of communication with the dead. Its origins are murky, lost in the digital static of time, but the most persistent whispers point to a tragedy that occurred decades ago, before cell phones tethered us constantly. The story speaks of Clara, a young woman known for her inseparable bond with her telephone. It was her lifeline, her constant companion. One fateful rainy night, Clara was on a call, engrossed in conversation, when her car veered off the slick road. She died instantly, her hand still clutching the receiver, her final words forever silenced, her call abruptly cut off. Her number was eventually disconnected, then, after a time, reassigned. But the legend claims that Clara's connection was never truly severed. Her line, they say, remains a phantom bridge to the other side. The core event of the echoing dial tone manifests in two terrifying ways. Some claim that if you are unlucky enough to dial a long-forgotten disconnected number, sometimes Clara's old number, if you can ever find it, instead of a number not in service message, you are met with an eerie, empty dial tone. It's not the crisp, familiar hum of a live line. This one is distant, metallic, as if resonating from a vast, cold chamber. It echoes, and if you dare to listen closely, you might hear a faint, almost imperceptible sigh just before the line goes dead. But far more insidious are the calls you receive. Imagine your phone lighting up, displaying a number you don't recognize, or perhaps one that simply shows unknown or restricted. You answer, expecting silence, a wrong number, or a telemarketer. Instead, you get that dial tone, the echoing dial tone. It's cold, mournful, and utterly devoid of human presence. The true dread begins if you entertain these calls. The legend warns against it. Those who repeatedly answer the echoing dial tone begin to notice things. The calls become more frequent. The dial tone itself grows louder, clearer, less distant. Some swear they hear faint whispers underneath its hum, distorted and unintelligible, like someone trying desperately to communicate through a thick veil. Others report a feeling of being watched, an unseen presence lingering just beyond their perception, an icy breath on the back of their neck when the phone rings. The lingering fear is that by answering, you open a door. You acknowledge a connection with something not of this world. And once that connection is made, it can never truly be broken. It's said that misfortune follows those who become too entangled with Clara's lingering call. Accidents, unexplained cold spots, objects moving on their own. It's a spectral tether pulling you closer to the spectral world, until you might just find yourself on the other end of the line, making an echoing call of your own. Don't let your connection to the unknown end here. Subscribe now for more chilling tales.